Hello everybody and welcome back. So today I have some really cool DIYs to share with you. They are simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I have created today, just keep on watching. I'll be starting off with this floral wheel, and it is from the Dollar Tree. If you're new to my channel, welcome! It's so wonderful to have you with us today. I'm Mrs. Bobby, also known as your Queen of Glitter, and I upload videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. So be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you are notified whenever I upload a video. I'll be using this mirror, and it is from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to remove the mirror and work with the frame. So right here I'm just showing you how I am combining the two pieces, and that one of my little spokes broke off, and I'm gonna have to glue it back on with some Gorilla Glue. So that's what I'm doing right now. I also decided to just go ahead and glue down the rest of my spokes so that it doesn't move while I'm completing the rest of my project. Next, I'll be using this metal ribbon, and it is from my local craft store. Next, I'll be using these beautiful crystals that I already had, and they are from eFavorMart. To attach my gems, I'm going to use this bling rope that is also from eFavorMart. And this part is optional, but I'm going to be using about 3 crystals or 4 lengths worth of rope. I decided to add on these beautiful bling and pearl stickers that I found at my local Dollar Tree. Guys, I do want to point out that although you're not seeing me use any type of permanent glue, I'm just using hot glue for the purpose of this video. If you're going to be using this outside, do use some sort of permanent glue like a Gorilla Glue or something like that, so that your project will not fall apart in the sun and the heat of the hot summer months. To illuminate my chandelier, I'm just going to use a push light from the Dollar Tree. Okay guys, before the final reveal, I want to just tell you guys how I wound up putting this thing together so that I was able to hang it. What you're looking at is the front facing part of the mirror. Essentially what I had to do is just attach the wire reef frame like you would be putting that mirror back together, so that the weight of the crystals has something to hold on to and it doesn't fall apart. And then also, for the sake of the video, I just used what I had around the house to hang my little chandelier. Ideally, I would have liked to have had some chain links that were a little smaller,
but again, I was working with what I had at home. You could definitely recreate this project on a larger scale. And just to give you an idea of how to do that, I would just avoid cutting my wreath and just apply the ribbon directly to the wreath frame as it is, and then continue on adding your crystals. Of course, you would need more push lights, but that is not a problem. You could always just add them as you needed them. So that's just an idea of how to create a larger one if you wanted to. You guys know that I would have loved to have created a large one for you, but I am working with limited space. So this is what I came up with, and I hope you have enjoyed it. That is it. That's all that I have for you today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little video and you found some inspiration. If you have, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.